Well, good morning, Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. All right, folks, we've got another unboxing for you. It's a Bluetooth headset that the fine folks at KSA Telecom sent me, and I'll be reviewing it in the coming days. But right now, we're just going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to tell you what I think about the headset in the coming days. But for now, let's just see what comes in the box. The key features of this headset, it's the S30 model. It has open ear air conduction. They call it a true wireless headset. We're going to figure out what all that means. But the big thing is they claim it has 99.9% noise cancellation. I've never seen a headset boast such a big noise cancellation ability, and so we're going to see if that's true. I'm going to test it in noisy environments, wear it the next few days, things like that, and then I'll tell you the truth, how it really is. But before I do, give me a thumbs up, share this video on your social media platforms, and make sure that you subscribe. All those things are free to do, and you'll receive a notification when future videos come out. All right, folks, without any further ado, let's jump right in. Here we go.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down. Flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round. For my family and for my kids, for this life I wanna live. This is why I do this.
Alrighty, we're back. Here's what the box looks like. Hopefully you can see it good. There is some writing on the back. It's really small. I had to use a magnifier to see it. But on the side it talks about the open ear comfort. Says that it has up to 30 meters, which is 99 foot range. It is using Bluetooth 5.3. Says it's IPX5 water resistant. So, sweat, things like that shouldn't mess with it. Light rain, obviously you wouldn't want to submerge it. Says it has EKSAtelecom Voice Pure ENC. That'd be noise cancellation. I'm assuming electronic noise cancellation. And it also has EKSAtelecom tube-based technology. So I'll have to try it with music as well. But hopefully you can see the box really well. Not get too much glare off my phone. Now it got like a, I don't know, I guess that's cellophane around it. So I'm going to take my knife and make an incision in that plastic. And if I do this right, I won't cut myself. Boy, this knife is dull. Needs to be retired. All right, got that done. Let's open it up and see what we got here. It's like opening stuff at Christmas. All right. Now this did take about a week to get here. I believe it came from China. No, it did not. It came from, well, originally it came from China, but it was shipped to me from a warehouse in California. It does have some Chinese writing on the front of it, or it looks like Chinese writing. It says KSAtelecom, whereas, yeah, I guess it is KSAtelecom. Let's start with this stuff here. This would be all your books, instruction manuals, all that kind of stuff. I always say I won't need that stuff, and I always end up referring to it. So let's see what this is. There is a QR code with frequently asked questions. And it has a little bit of troubleshooting here, things like that. How to do it on an Apple product, how to do it on a Windows product. If you're using it with computers, which we will, next live stream we do, we'll use it for that and we'll see how it does. So for now, I'm just gonna file this away. And boy, this is, the box is empty after you pull out the unit. Let's look at it. Kind of neat looking. So it comes in a textured box that almost has like a speaker feel to it, if that makes any sense. Has a ring to it if you need to connect it to something. A little heavy to be on keys or something, but who knows, you might could use it to hang it on something. This protective case, when you unzip it, open it up, and there you have it. That's pretty neat looking. So it's got a charging cable, as you would expect, and it is Type-C, which I really like to see. And then here's the device. This one's a little different than what you see with a lot of them, in that it has one for each ear. And so as a truck driver, you would just want to wear one of these while you're driving. We'll see what battery life is like, but and test them out a little more. But yeah, you would wear it in both ears. Now, where I'm thinking this would be cool is while you're going down the road, you could pull one out. But if you were stopped at a truck stop, watching TV on your phone or something like that, you could, you know, listen in stereo, have it playing through both ears. Maybe if you're at home, your spouse has you vacuuming the house or carrying out the trash or mowing the yard, especially with that 99.9% noise cancellation, you're barely going to hear the lawnmower, if at all. So it's going to be a good experience. You can listen to your music, listen to your podcast, listen to Trucker Todd while you're doing those things. So pretty simplistic, not a lot here. I'm going to look this thing over really good the next few days, and then I'll come back and give you my thoughts on it. All right, folks, y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.